Hi, I'm Jackie Roby, Chief Excellence Officer at Inspired Journey Consulting, and I have with me today the fabulous Yarenis Nunez from the Retreat Costa Rica.
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Jackie, for
Welcome.
having me here.
Absolutely. So, Jadenis is phenomenal. She's done so many amazing things with the retreat. She's part of the sales team. She works with corporate clients. So that tends to look like groups, executive retreats, right? Potentially day trips and meetings. So something to think about, Jadenis, is your go to. So, Jadenis, how long have you been at the retreat now?
Well, here now in September, I'm gonna have 2 years working here. So
Amazing.
it's
Amazing.
incredible.
So, what does wellness mean to you? It's something that definitely changes for everybody. So, we'd love to hear from you as somebody who works at a phenomenal destination spa.
Well, if I have to describe wellness, I would say that is a balance between mental, physical, and spiritual being. And it's pretty much like some kind of habits that you adopt into your daily life. And once you see the results that you can get from these habits, you start looking for them because it's what makes your soul and your body feel better and feel healthier. So, for me, the most powerful thing of wellness is that anyone out there can do it, anyone can have it. So, for me, that is amazing.
I love that. That's beautiful. And it's so true. So, being at the retreat for 2 years now, tell me, how has working there changed you?
Wow. I love that question. Actually, we can be here talking like for hours about it. I really love it because the first thing that changed for me was my perception of the taste that healthy food has. I used to think that healthy food was not delicious and it didn't taste well. I was not a veggie lover, now I am. So after working here and seeing the food that these people make and the heart they put on it and the taste, that changed my entire mind. So now I can say that I could be vegan for my entire life if I get the recipe these guys cook here. So it's amazing. If I can get the chef, that,
Absolutely. Bring chef home and
yeah,
you're good.
totally, totally.
But
But
that's a
that
bold statement for somebody who didn't like vegetables to then say I could be vegan.
yeah, and actually, and it's true. I mean, I could be vegan eating all day this delicious food, and actually, also part of it, it's like I'm always trying to seek for things that makes me grow,
Mhm.
but not physically, but also my soul. Things that makes me grow as a better human being, as a better person with the environment. So it's something that I will always be grateful for to the retreat because I'm not the same person I was like 2 years ago. So it's very touchable. I mean, I really love working here, the energy that you get, and you come here and you don't go back being the same
Mm.
for us as our workers, but also for the guests. And I think that that was the moment when everything started. Because when I start seeing that our guests were getting so much benefits and their life was changing in just 7 days, I, I said like, okay, I think I need this. I mean, I think I can have this in my life. So imagine what can I do having it daily. So I start looking for it and getting into it, and I'm a wellness lover now.
Yes. I love that story so much. So, all right, I would love a good comparison of what you would normally be your favorite dish before the retreat and now one of the dishes that you love.
Hmm. Let's see. I'm a pizza lover. So I love pizza. And the first day I tried our vegan pizza that we have at the Gratitude Lounge at the retreat, I don't want to eat more pizza from the outside now. I just want to eat this pizza. I even tried to make it at home and it turned very well. Not as well as here, but it turned out nice. But this is the type of things like from regular food or from vegetables, you get a pizza.
Mm,
So I would say that the pizza bad. The nachos, they also
mm.
got my heart here. Our vegan nachos, I can see your face.
Yeah. I love nachos. They're my guilty pleasure. And the vegan
Yeah,
nachos are amazing.
yeah. So those two foods are my favorite one for sure at the here at the retreat.
All right. Well, loving food. Tell us which pizza.
Um, I like one they make with beet, actually, like with a beet sauce. Yeah.
Nice.
They put a beet sauce and they make a vegan cheese, which
Mm.
was I don't have words to explain it. I don't have them. I mean, all of you asking in your home, like, how is the pizza? You have to come and visit us. So because you have to try it.
I love that. It's like sweet and savory.
Yeah, exactly,
Delicious.
exactly.
So good. All right. So um, you are seated right now over at Vitamia Healing Center and Spa, right? At the retreat?
Yeah, I
Amazing.
am.
So being spa inspired, what is your favorite spa treatment there?
Hmm. This is a very nice question too, Jackie. Well, if I have to choose, we have incredible treatments here. But if I have to choose just one, it will be the travel recovery
Okay.
because this treatment goes beyond the physical part. This treatment was more like it's more like healing your soul.
Mm.
Isn't it's a treatment full of energy, and they align all your chakras. The therapist, she does a little bit of Reiki while she's doing the treatment. So her hands, the touch is like silk. It's like if you're being touched by an angel. So I get like every time I talk about this, it's very touchable for me because after the treatment, we were even crying because we were feeling so much energy and so much positiveness on the during the treatment and after it, and the connection was incredible. I mean, when I get out, we both of us were crying because it was not a physical treatment. It was that treatment was healing my soul on that day, and I was in so much need of it. So every time I have a guest and they said, "Okay, I want to go because of these situations," I always say, you know what? You have to do first time you get into the retreat, don't go to your room. Don't do that. Go direct to the spa and get the proper recovery treatment. It's 90 minutes of healing your soul,
Mm.
and it open up your heart, your mind, your body to receive the rest of the things that the universe is going to give you while you are here.
Ah,
That's my favorite one.
that is so powerful.
Yeah.
Um, and so true. I think we lean towards just looking at basic massages, and I love that this has so much more, and it's so much more than what you expect in the name. Travel recovery. You don't
Mhm.
expect to have Reiki and energy treatment.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal.
It's incredible actually.
So we've talked about the pizza. What about, are there any other drinks or items of food that you love at
Yes.
gratitude?
Yes. Like I said before, I'm not a veggie lover. Well, I was not a veggie lover. Correction. um, and every time people say beet, I was like, no, thank you. Next. But we
Scary.
have a beet latte here. I don't know if you have tried it before,
Mm.
but it's amazing. And actually, I have one here. Let me show it to you. I have one here.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Yeah.
that looks like heaven.
Mm. I just want to get you jealous.
It's my favorite.
Oh, nice.
It's
See,
my favorite. Yeah.
it's
I didn't know what, you don't know what to expect when you take a sip and then you're like, oh, it's heaven. Didn't see
yeah,
that coming.
you don't feel the beat on it,
No,
right?
no.
So yeah, that's my favorite one. Nice to hear that it's yours too.
It is. It absolutely is. Well, because you're right there, Vita me, and we're so grateful for the time that you've spent. Can you give a quick little spinner and show us a tour?
Yeah, of course. Let me show you a little bit of it. So here, well, this is our pool. It's raining a little bit here.
Love
So
it.
up in there, we got our jacuzzi, the gym, and the treatment rooms. And this view,
Oh, yeah.
look at this view. Like chilling here with this view, it's something amazing.
It's epic. It really is.
Yeah. So this is actually my favorite spot at the hotel, the spa.
Mm,
See? So you got our relaxing area too. So it's amazing.
I love that. And all the chairs, you just want to like fall into them. Be cozy.
Yeah. So you can bring your book and take some sun and just chill out.
I love it. It is. Thank you so much. This was phenomenal. I'm so grateful for you. And have an amazing day.
You too. Thank you. And once again, I hope I can see all of you in our little piece of heaven.
Exactly. Head to the Retreat Costa Rica as soon as possible. All right. Bye.
Bye.